out of gas. Yep. I'm out. What's going on, YouTube? We're waiting for my nephew-in-law to come ride dirt bikes. What's up, nephew? Oh. Not in-law. This is just my regular nephew. Was Chris coming? Huh? So I think I'm gonna ride to the house with the helmet on, just like this. Think so? Yeah. Sweet. So this is the first hookup with the mic, and we'll see how it works. Hopefully the audio is clear, and get some good visuals for ya. So yeah, we're fixing to get muddy today, and yeah, I guess this will be my first moto vlog. Then I could be like the cool guys, right? Yep. Right? Maybe, kinda. Yeah. We'll see. All right, guys. Until then, nugget out. Yeah. Quicker.
Load it up.
Yeah. All right, guys. So this is going to be the final ride of the year, and this is actually my first time riding on mud, which is a little different. My nephew wiped out. Yeah, this is my first time riding on dirt. Every other time we've ridden over the summer, it's been beautiful sunny days. You know, real nice sunny days. And so yeah, it's actually December 13th. December 13th, and it's 60 degrees today. Normally this time of year we'd be getting the snowmobiles prepped, but yeah, we're riding dirt bikes today. And again, this is my first time on mud, and I could tell it's already really unstable for me. But it's cool. It's cool to be learning on dirt and in the mud before I actually hit the street. I mean, I know it's probably going to be totally different street riding compared to in the dirt, but at least it's going to be, at least it'll help me, you know, get ready for the street. So yeah, there we go. And right now I'm on think I'm on a Honda 80cc. My nephew wants to race dirt bikes, so he always ends up getting the 125. Jump. I don't know if I want to hit the actual course yet. Here we go. Oh shit. Oh man. Oh shit. Yeah, you can definitely tell this is my first time riding in the mud. Oh shit. You could probably see all the mud coming off too, huh? Oh man. Oh, mud in the face. Oh, mud in the face. Oh shit. Oh shit. And that front tire really washes out. Holy shit. Yeah, man, it's so tough. It's like, man. Alright. Alright, alright, alright. Oh. She's running out of gas. I'm out. I'm out of gas. Oh man. Yeah, we only put enough in for a little bit and it's starting to rain, so I don't know, maybe we'll try to put a little gas in here. My nephew almost wiped out, I think. Alright guys, if you don't hear from me, you might hear from me on the way home, but
you want a gas drink?
yeah. Oh, too funny. Well, you know what, guys? I think this might be it for the day. Yeah, I think this might be it because we were pretty much riding these just to winterize them. So, yeah, if you don't see any more riding today, yeah, that's about it. That's about it for the rest of 2015. And as always, I don't know if you could see, but these handlebars are pretty jacked up. And that's how it is on the rest of their bikes. So again, I don't know if that's kind of like a good way to learn how to ride with, you know, like not not the best equipment, kind of jacked up stuff. Oh, he's gonna set it down. But you know, like learning on things that are a little jacked up. You know, because I don't know. To me, it feels like it kind of helps, since you're not used to something that's perfect. Is that heavy?
No.
Come on, boy. Hop on.
Hey, I'm on a fair bike than you.
Why did he do that? Alright, we'll get out of the way. I don't know, this might not be a good idea. With the amount of mud on my tires. That's fine. Good times, good times. Oh man, I was definitely getting some speed wobbles there because of the mud. Wanted to jump out from under me. All right. Oh shit. Yep. Us to kind of make the track a little wider. All right, all right. All right. All right. I'm not trying to be too aggressive on going over these jumps right now. Just trying to get my bearings in the mud here. Feels like if I'm able to like lean it a little bit more, well, like I wasn't doing there, but oh shit. Oh. Yep. I mean, I've still yet to actually wreck on a bike. Knock on wood. See, this is how messed up this kickstart is. It's supposed to be like this. Yeah! I almost wiped out. I almost wiped out.
I don't know what you said, right?
Look at that roost. Look at that roost. Oh, man, that front tire really wanted to wash out going off that jump. This one's still kind of sketchy. Alright. Oh, holy shit. Holy shit. Like with this one, I felt like I was washing out more, but this one, it seems a little more stable.
That one is, well, it's also size.
What'd you point out my tire
ratio.
for?
No, your back fender's flopping.
You can see it's already been broken.
Yeah.
I broke it when I fell.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine.
Bub, did you see me wash out?
No.
No, I was going up the jump.
Oh yeah, when you went down.
Yeah, I was going up the jump and the front tire just. Whoop.
Here you are, where?
Is that water resistant cover on there?
Pretty much.
Okay.
I mean, just the little opening here.
Well, so far it's coming from the front, so you should be fine.
Yeah.
I'm just saying I see some mud on it. I don't want to wipe that off from time to time.
Wear this for a little bit.
No, I don't need them. You're
Here,
good.
wear 'em for a little bit.
No, I don't want
wanna
your
wear 'em.
goggles.
I don't want to wear 'em.